Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Link audio that's not working. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can adjust various features and configurations. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Remote Play. This section controls all the streaming and remote play features for Steam Link, which is crucial for getting your audio working properly. Now scroll down through the remote play settings until you find an option called Enable Advanced Host Options. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle it on. This unlocks additional settings that give you more control over your streaming experience. Just below that, look for an option labeled Play Audio on Host. Right beside it, toggle this on as well. This setting ensures that audio plays through your host computer during streaming, which often resolves audio issues with Steam Link. Alternatively, you can adjust your Windows sound settings directly. Right-click the speaker icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen, typically in the system tray. From the menu that appears, click on Open Sound Settings. This will take you to your system's audio configuration page. Once you're in the sound settings, look for Output at the top of the page. Below it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this menu and select either your actual headphones or speakers, or if it appears, choose Steam Streaming Speakers. This ensures that audio is being directed to the correct output device. If you need to, adjust the volume slider below to set your preferred audio level. If the audio still isn't working after trying these steps, you'll need to re-enable Remote Play. Go back to the upper left corner, click Steam and select Settings again. In the left panel, click on Remote Play. Look for the Enable Remote Play option, and right beside it, toggle it off. This will temporarily disable the feature so we can reset it. Next, navigate to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on Show Hidden Icons in your system tray. Right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam from the menu. This completely closes the Steam application. Now open your Steam app again. You'll need to wait a few seconds while the application loads and initializes all its features. During this time, Steam is reconnecting to its servers, loading your library, and preparing the remote play functionality. Just give it a moment to fully boot up before proceeding. Once Steam is loaded, log in with your credentials again. After you're logged in, go back to the upper left corner, click Steam, and select Settings. In the left panel, click on Remote Play once more. Look for the Enable Remote Play option, and right beside it, toggle it back on. This fresh activation often resolves persistent audio issues by resetting the streaming connection. If you've tried all these steps and your audio still isn't working, your last option is to reinstall your Steam app entirely. Sometimes corrupted files or configuration issues require a clean installation to fix properly. And that's it, you've now fixed your Steam Link audio issue. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.